Assalamualaikum. Welcome to another video of AutoCAD. In this video, we'll be practicing some of the AutoCAD commands which we saw in the previous video. So let's begin. First of all, I'll open my AutoCAD screen, AutoCAD interface, and I have these sample drawings from which I'll be selecting my first drawing. I'll just drag it out and I'll paste it to the AutoCAD interface, and I'll just click it. Now it's asking specify rotation angle, so I'll just put 0 degrees so that the drawing is pasted straight. And here's my drawing. You can see now. First of all, we can just give a look to the dimensions of the drawing. You can see that this is 120, this is 44, 45, 44 again, 40, 33, 33, and two circles of 36 and 20 units of diameter. So let's begin. First, before we start with this base, we'll select line command. If you are good with the keyboard, you can just type line, and you can see there's the first command you get. So you can do both ways. You can use this for every command. If you learn the shortcuts of each command, you can just type it in. You don't have to look around for the command. You just have to type it, and you can select your command. So I have my line command. So my line is of 120 units. I'll type 120, and this height is of 44 units. 44. Escape. Again, I'll select line, and from this point, again my height is of 44 units, and you see that this is 33 and 33 as well. So I'll be drawing some extra lines, and then I'll be trimming it out in the end. So 33 here and 33 perpendicular. Again, you can see that this line is a 45, so I'll just draw 45 line horizontally, and I will join this point and the end point. So you can see that I have got figure something like this. Again, I'll select my line command. So one piece of advice, that if you are using your command again and again, you don't have to select it every time. You just have to press enter, and you see that in the command bar the line command is being selected. So you just have to press enter, and the previous command would be selected automatically. So let's draw lines now. So by drawing these two extra lines, you don't have to calculate this length. Or you can also do it with Pythagoras theorem. It's up to you. So the extra line would be trimmed out. I'll be using this trim command. Again, you can also type trim and select this command, and now I'll be selecting my objects, and you can see that the two lines are gone now. So for this two circles now, I'll be again selecting my line command, and you can see here that this is the center point is at 36 at the top and 36 to the right from this left corner, and for the other circle it is 84 from the left and 20 units to the top. So I want to get these two center points to draw my circle. So I'll select line, and I'll be selecting this point again and typing 36 and 36 to the top. So I'll press escape. So you can see that this is my center point of the bigger circle, and for the smaller circle again I'll select this point to the left, and towards the right the dimension is, you can see, 84 units. So 84 units, and 20 to the top. Alright, I'll press escape to come out from the command. Now I can draw my two circles of 36 and 20 units of diameter. So if you click on the circle command, if you click on this arrow, you can see that there are several types of the circle command. So the first one is center radius, which means that you just have to select the center point of the circle and draw your and just enter your radius to get the desired circle. In the second one, you just have to put the diameter directly. You don't have to calculate the diameter from the radius or vice versa. In the third one, if you have 2 points and you have to draw a circle between them, you can select this 2 point command. If you have 3 points and you have to inscribe a circle, you can select this point. And if your circle is tangent between two lines or two arcs, sorry, and you know the radius, you can select this command. Or if the circle is tangent to three other circles, you can select this command as well. So in our case, I'll be selecting the center diameter because we are given with the diameters. We have the center points. So a diameter of the larger circle is 36, and for the smaller circle, I'll press enter to reselect my command of circle, and I'll type 20 for the smaller one. If you want to undo, you can just press Ctrl Z. Again, I'll select this, type 20, enter. So I have my smaller circle here as well. The extra lines need to be trimmed out, so we'll select this trim command and select the objects which I have to trim. And here we go. The objects are trimmed now, and the desired drawing has been made. So for dimensions and other commands, we'll be practicing more. So stay tuned and keep watching the next videos as well. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.